What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at AdLockMedia. Another content locking platform for CPA affiliate marketers. So AdLockMedia does allow incentivized CPA offers, which it has available. So if you run incentivized content locking traffic with offer walls, file lockers, link lockers, smart links, whatever you need, it is available. So what is AdLockMedia? AdLockMedia is a CPA-based performance network specializing in content locking technology, integrating incentive CPA offers and CPI mobile app installs. Pretty cool website, very simple, always on time payments, detailed reporting, competitive offer rates. Quite simple, doesn't look too chaotic. Little underdeveloped maybe, but so far so good. I had a little look at their top 100 offers. As you can see, quite a bit of different geos, different languages, interesting payouts. So how about we just have a look inside their network, which I'm in right now. And here, what surprised me the most, basically, was that this website on the front end looks a little bit like old school, you know, outdated, could be made in WordPress, you know what I'm saying? And then when you're logged in, it looks quite good. It looks quite new, modern. So if you want to sign up for AdLockMedia, as usual, there's a link in the description. However, we're going to have a look at the dashboard first. You have clicks, leads, earnings, available balance. I would say that's for withdrawal. Lifetime earnings per click, lifetime earnings, null. Not null, lifetime leads, of course, lifetime clicks. So I need to update because we just got approved. Performance graph. So as everybody knows, content locking is not really my thing, but we have a lot of students from Africa, African countries, Asian countries who are really into content locking. It's a very low barrier of entry. You know, we mainly do paid traffic, which is a lot more difficult for people who don't have that much money. And content locking for you guys is great. So to help you out, I'm not going to make watch me build videos about content locking if you've seen those on my channel, but I do want to share this with you. So you know at least which networks to apply to and which ones are good and which ones are not. And AdLockMedia.com looks quite good. AdLockMedia.com. It's actually a funny name because it's like AdLock, like content lock. Good name. So we have a performance overview. We have the latest offers. We have high performing offers. So this is Switzerland, Japan, Germany, UK, Singapore, I don't know, Portugal, France, US, Canada. Then you have some news. There's some recent offers, deactivations of offers. I really wonder which flag this one is. If I hold my mouse on it, will it show? Singapore. Damn, 100% score. There we go. Then you can have a look at your account settings. And of course, the offers, which is for me and probably for everybody, the most important one. So I'm going to select 300 entries. How many tabs do we get? Ooh, 5 tabs. 1,377 offers. That's pretty lit. I mean, sick, because lit is a stupid word. So this is what I don't like about content lockers, right? The names are usually tagged in the geo. So I don't know what the fuck this is, you know? So just take a survey. I can read it here, but this is in fucking Japanese. So how would I be able to read it? Can't. Payouts, pretty cool, pretty good. The payouts is in dollars, I guess, in US dollars, but French. This is what's it called? Credit card submit, thousands of contents. So let's have a look here. Conversion rate, earnings per click, and a CTR. So the earnings per click doesn't really make sense at all, anywhere. So the conversion rates, I don't know, the conversion rate seems quite high. But I don't know if that's normal with content locking or it's not. Anywho, a lot of surveys, cash and rewards, pay-per-lead, sweepstakes. So sweepstakes at pace 223 is pretty good for content locking. I mean, I don't like that they don't have that many images. Oh, some are the mobile optimized and some are not, which is also good to know. So we have some video streaming. Is there not like an option here? So you can select the country and you can select non-incentivized, you'll just get a smaller list, I would say. A lot of sweepstakes. Yeah, I always like to have the preview or the lender, which I don't have, so they might want to add that. But overall, it's pretty damn clear what they have available. Tons and tons of offers. So they have 549 non-incentivized, and then they have almost 1,000 incentivized offers, which of course for content locking is great. So we have the monetization tools, as usual, link lockers. You get your overview of the link name, the type, when you created it, the short URL, so you can spam it everywhere. Then impressions, the links, conversions, EPC, conversion rate revenue, and the actions taken. Then you have the content lockers, which is usually the main part of the show. You can create a new gateway, as it's called here, and you can give it a name. Does it show a preview? Oh, I think it was loading before. Anyhow, it works as a normal content locker, as you see. Complete an offer to unlock this widget. And then you have like the standard lockers. So you can change everything. Basically, it's full customizable to make it blend into your content, which of course is very important. If it's able to blend in, then it looks more native, and you'll probably have a higher conversion rate that way. Offer walls, I think I've said it in a previous video, but these are my favorites. Not necessarily with CPA marketing, because I don't do content locking offer walls with CPA marketing, but we do use it in our own business, the offer walls, to get people from open subscriptions to premium subscriptions. The offer wall always works very well. So if you have a blog or anything like that, for sure hit it with the offer wall. Smart links, and then you have the offer optimizer. I don't know what that means, but for lockers, wall, smart URL. Is that also like a pre-made smart link? Probably. Different reports, daily report, leads report, offers, countries, bad leads. All right. What would be qualified as a bad lead? They don't say, probably say it in the FAQ though. API and postback settings, which you obviously need. Then referrals. How much money am I going to get if you sign up? I'm going to get 3% lifetime commissions for each lead generated from your referrals. If you're interested in AdLockMedia, sign up through my link and pay me 3% of your earnings. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Link in the description down below. All right, loyalty program. Ooh, they don't have. It's under construction. Support tickets and then the payments. I don't see an FAQ though. Payments are calculated on the 5th of each month once you've reached the cash out minimum. Okay, so the minimum is $100. Payments will be made completely of the payment cycle, request date. Net 30, request date plus 30 days. Payment request on January 5th will be received on January 5th. Net 15, Net 7 weekly payments are available for verified publisher with a large amount of traffic. Okay, so they go all the way until Net 7, which is good. Net 7 weeklies. Yeah, nice, good. Let me see. I don't think there's any FAQ we could head to. Maybe they have it on their site. So they have about, contact, login. Nope. They have a blog though. Want to check out the blog? Oh, it's a different website. Oh yeah, this is made in WordPress. Looks terrible. Not going to head over there. But other than that, I like this top 100 thing they have on their website. You can check out their the highest performing offers, right? So it's basically iPhone XS sweepstake, cost per lead, and then take survey, win free chocolate. So it's basically dominated by sweepstakes and surveys. So if you have traffic for content locking, for sure, check out AdLockMedia through the link in the description down below. If you have any questions about AdLockMedia, then feel free to put them in the comments down below and I will have a look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.